Hey, what's up you guys? In this tutorial I'll be teaching Geetham number 2, which is Kundhagaura in the raga Malahari. In the previous class also I took a lesson a Geetham in the same raga, Malahari. So before we begin, we need to know some points about this scale Malahari, like we learned in the previous class. The first point is Malahari is the derivative of 15th Melartha raga Maya Malahari. I taught you in the previous video also that. Then, when we look into this Arohana and Avarohana, we can find there are only 5 notes in this Arohana and 6 notes in the Avarohana. Yeah, in the Avarohana. So we call this raga as Audava Shadava raga. I said Shadava, right? Only 6 notes are there. 7 notes are not there. To complete a scale, a heptatonic scale, we need all 7 notes, and 1 note is missing here, and that is Ni, Nishada. So we call this raga as a Nishada Varjya raga. Okay. And one more point is there. This raga does not possess any foreign notes. So we call this raga as an Upanga raga. Upanga raga, that's the word. And then the Swarasanams of this raga. Sa is Shadjam, Ri is Shuddha Rishabam, Ga is Gandharam, Andara Gandharam, Ma is Shuddha Madhyamam, Pa is Panjamam, and Dha is Shuddha Daivadam. Okay, now let's zoom into this lesson. The first phrase, Da Pa Ma Ga Ri Sa. Right? Actually, in the previous lesson also, I taught the same phrase. So let us find out how to sing this Da Pa Ma Ga Ri Sa. Where can we find this phrase? Is it in that Arohana or Avarohana? In the Avarohana. Oh, sorry, I forgot to teach you one more thing. Before we begin, we should sing the Arohana as well as the Avarohana first. So let's sing that first. Sa, re, ma, pa, da, sa. Okay? Sa, da, pa, ma, ga, re, sa. Okay, that's the Arohana and the Avarohana. Now with this Avarohana, we are going to sing the first phrase. Okay, just omit that sa, the first sa. Sa, just leave that apart. And start from da. Da, pa, ma, ga, re, sa. Okay? Now let's move on to the second phrase. Ri, ma, pa, da, ma, pa. Actually, this phrase was there in the previous lesson too. So those who are not familiar with that lesson, I suggest to check that video first. Okay. Ri, ma, pa, dha. Where can we find that? Ri, ma, pa, dha. Yeah. In the Arohana. Sa, ri, ma, pa, dha, sa. Okay. Eliminate that first and last sa. We'll get Ri, ma, pa, dha, ma. Sorry. Ma, pa, right? Ma, pa. In the Arohana itself, we can find that ma, pa by eliminating that sa and ri. Ma, pa, that's what we need. So combine that both. Ri, ma, pa, da, ma, pa. It's done. Now let's move on to the third phrase. Da, ri, ri, sa, da, pa. Da is in the middle octave, but ri is in the higher octave. How to sing that? I'll teach you. Da, ri, ri, sa, da, pa. Okay. Da, ri. I got that da and ri by eliminating the sa in between that. Sa, ri, ma, pa, da, sa, ri. Eliminate that sa. Da, ri. Okay, done. Then ri, sa, da, pa. Ri, sa, da, pa. That's actually the Avarohana of this raga. Ri, sa, da, pa. Actually, sa, da, pa is given there. We just add one more note there above that sa. That's ri. Ri, sa, da, pa. Okay. So when combining them both, it will sound something like da, ri, ri, sa, da, pa. One point is there in between that two rishabam. Da, ri, ri, sa. I will teach you that in the next video because it's part of the modulation. Okay, let's move on to the fourth phrase then. That's exactly the first phrase itself. Da, pa, ba, Then sa, a, re, e, re, e. Sa is having an extra beat, re is having an extra beat, and the last V is also having an extra beat. So those notes should be sustained for a beat. Sa, re, re. Okay, how to find that? For that, first sing the Arohana. Sa, re, ma. Okay, we don't need that ma and pa, just sa and re. Sa, re. Okay, just slow its pace, like sa, re. So that phrase is also done. It will sound like sa, re, re. Okay, then the first phrase it's also been repeated. Da, pa, ma, ga, re, sa. Right? Then the next phrase, sari, ma, a, giri. There also ma is having an extra beat and should be sustained. Actually, this phrase was there in the previous lesson. I taught you that day. Sari, ma, a, giri. We can find that from this Arohana itself. Sari, ma, sari, ma, then giri. Gari. Okay, when combining them both, sari, ma, gari. Okay, then sari, ga, ri, sa. That phrase was also there in the previous lesson. Sari, ga, ri, sa. That's how it should be sung. So, yeah, that's all for this day. I will be taking all these modulations and all in the next video. Okay, because that occupies more time. So, keep on practicing all these lessons, and those who haven't subscribed to my channel, do that at the earliest. And yeah, meet you all in the next video. Bye.